viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be reading a book called I Am Thankful, a Thanksgiving book for kids by Sherry Wall, illustrations by Holly Clifton Brown. The calendar says November is here, the leaves do a dance, the fall color appears. Family and friends with grins to ear, we will gather together. Thanksgiving is near. I board a huge plane, fly up and away. My cousins are there, I can't wait to play. Our suitcases drop, front door opens wide. My parents get kisses, we kids sneak outside. I help to clean up and get ready to cook. Out from the top drawer comes our recipe book. Just like long ago, Mama says people share good food and kindness to show that we care. I go with my mom to a general store. We fill out our cart full, but there's still room for more. She peeks down the rows. She finds a surprise, an apron for helping with extra long ties. I'm thankful my heart grows. Love fills me from head to toes. We load into cars and drive many miles. The patch is so full of long pumpkin aisles. I climb in the wagon and sit on hay seats. The farmer lips whistle as he drives through the streets. Grandma makes pie, the rolling pin spins. We pat the dough softly into the round tins. The filling so creamy, with spices just right, so warm from the oven, she gives me a bite. Today for a craft, I lay my hand flat, trace her on the fingers, a turkey placemat. Art for a table with scissors and glue, some crayons and pens, I'll make a card too. I am thankful my heart grows, love fills me from head to toes. It's old picture time. I run to the shelf, stand on my tippy toes and reach them myself. Albums and boxes of such happy faces, pictures of birthdays and trips to cool places. Big brother is home from school far away. I've missed him so much, I've waited all day. We picked out a puzzle and sit on the floor. I dump out the pieces, 300 or more. That doesn't look like 300 to me. That looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Never mind. A knock at the door, it's time for our trip. A hike through the park, grab water to sip. Slow, careful steps through tall golden trees. We find a leaf pile and drop to our knees. I'm thankful my heart grows. Love fills me from head to toes. Time for the parade, we gather around, balloons fill the skies, feet march on the ground. I grab the remote and switch to football, then over to doggies and some big and some small. Collecting some extra treats we can spare, I look through the pantry to see what's in there. We drop off big bags of green beans and corn. The clerk stacks the cans. His gloves are all worn. The phone sings its tune. I can tell that it's Dad. We each take turns sharing the days we've had. He tells me I love you, and remember, behave. I tell him you too, stay safe and behave, and be brave. I am thankful my heart grows, love fills me from head to toes. The kitchen is busy. I grab some soup bowls, count the cloth napkins, from my nose smells the rolls. The table is ready, we each have a seat, hands held so tightly we're ready to eat. Whisking and basting, we each do our part. Buffet line gets longer, I can't wait to start. Our guests will arrive not a moment too soon. Grab a clean plate and a knife, fork, and spoon.
We go to serve folks with smiles so bright, their trays piled high, eyes shine with delight. When tummies are full and buttons are snug, I move seat to seat to pass out some hugs. I am thankful my heart grows, love fills me from head to toes. Family and friends with grins ear to ear, all gathered together, Thanksgiving is here! So, that's the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!